In this video, I will guide you through how to play free games on PC. You can play a lot of quality free games on PC by downloading or without downloading. Resources are many, but I'll stick to the best of the best. First one is Microsoft Store. If you are on Windows, type Store in Start menu. Open Microsoft Store. Click Top Free Games. And here you can keep scrolling through countless games, but the list won't end. Here are a lot of quality games for every age we can enjoy. Racing games, puzzle games, runner games, card and board games, educational games, racing and flying games, simulation games, strategy games, and more. Use filter to find games of your choice fast. Click at the game you like. Click Get button. It will be installed in PC. Then you can go to Start menu, type game name, and play it. Second option that I like is Epic Games. Go to Epic Games Store, scroll down to the free games area, click View More, and these are all free games that you can download and play. Epic Games are managed in PC via its launcher. This is Epic Games Launcher. If you are browsing games through launcher, go to Browse page. From Filters, under Price, click Free. These are all free, high quality games. Some of these need graphic card to be played. Try The Sims, Fall Guys, Valorant, Rocket League, and Fortnite. Then we have Roblox. Everybody's playing Roblox and loves it. It's a huge collection of 3D games inside single app. Play solo or with friends. These games can even be played on low-end laptop and mobile phones also. No matter the age, you'll find a game that will interest you on this platform. Highly customizable gameplay experience where you can change outfits, earn rewards, chat with friends, and more. Categories include action games, survival games, simulation games, battles, adventures, hobbies, racing, tycoon, roleplay, puzzles, social, sandbox, and more. Very enjoyable and rich experience. You cannot play all the games listed here. Such a huge collection of games this is. To play these games, you need a free account and download Roblox Player. From the player, select a game and hit play button. Next, we have Steam. To play free games on Steam, download and install Steam app. This is Steam app. Go to Categories section. Select Free to Play. And here are all the free games available here. This collection is also huge. Action, adventure, simulation, strategy, and more. Popular games are Counter-Strike 2, Dota 2, Battlegrounds, Apex Legends, Sims. Lots of interesting games, free to play. Then we have now.gg. This site has also a lot of games free to play. No download required here. Play games using web browser on any machine anywhere. Play solo or challenge friends in multiplayer adventures. Lots of good stuff here. Okay, so this is my list and resource for free to play games on PC. If I miss anything, let me know in comments below. From what I mentioned here, which gaming platform do you like the most? Which games are your favorite? Let us know. So this is how you can play free games on PC. If this video helped you, please leave a like. To watch similar videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive update notification, and I will see you in the next one.